Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let R denotes the set of all real number, then the area of the region this x, y, r, comma r, x is greater than 0, x, y is greater than 1 by x, this graph, this graph. Okay, so first let's try to draw the diagram. Later we will calculate the area. So look at this. You know that it is x is greater than 0 means what? First quadrant. Okay, first quadrant or first or third, first or fourth. है ना? Now we have y greater than 1 by x. So can I write xy is equal to 1? Okay, so if you try to draw the diagram, you know that if xy, we will have this kind of situation. We will have a graph which will look like this. Wait, we have asymptote. Okay, so this is means we will have a graph in the first quadrant and third quadrant. We need it, so we will consume it over here. So suppose that it is clear about this point that it is on this side. So if you satisfy 0 comma 0, let's check whether it is satisfying or not. Okay, so xy greater than 1. Look at this. If you substitute 0 0, do you think it holds true? No, it doesn't hold true. This means what? Our observation is this side. Okay, I hope the first part is clear. Now let's try to draw the second diagram. So second is a straight line. So we have 5x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0. So suppose that x is 0. Okay, so if x is 0, y will become what? Like if x is 0, this 4y will be equal to minus 1, means y is minus 1 by 4. So somewhere here. Okay, now, and if y is 0, put y as 0, so x will be equal to 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 will be somewhere here. Okay, now, so it is a straight line, so we can draw the diagram. So we are done with the graph. Okay, now clearly you can see that 0 0 on this side. Okay, so let's check whether it is satisfying or not. So for that we will use inequality. Okay, so substitute x as 0, y as 0. So minus 1 is greater than 0, it holds false, so means we have to focus on this region. Correct? I hope second graph is also clear. Now focus on third graph. Third graph is this. This is 4x plus 4y minus 17 equals to 0. We will first hold equality to draw the line and then inequality to find out the reason. Okay, and we are interested in finding only x. So let's try to draw the diagram. So suppose y is 0. So if y is 0, x will be equal to what? 17 by 4. So it is 4 point something. Correct na? 4 point something. So suppose this is 4 point something. Okay, so it is 17 by 4 comma 0. Okay, now if x is 0, so if x is 0, again y will become 17 by 4. So again it is 4 point something. Let's say this is the straight line. So this is 4 point something, 0 comma 17 by 4. Okay, now look at 0 comma 0. So let's check whether it holds true or not. So you know that clearly 0 comma 0 is on which side. So if you will satisfy 0 comma 0 over here, so minus 17 is less than 0, means it holds true. This means you have to focus on this reason. Okay, and on the whole you have to find out the area of this part. Correct? I hope things are clear. So first let's find out this point of intersection, and we are interested in finding only x. Okay, so this is this line, purple line, with this curve. Okay, so we have xy equals to 1. Okay, this is first curve. Now we will substitute value of y over here. So it is x. Who is y? Y is 5x minus 1 by 4 equals to 1. Okay, so we have 5x square minus x is equal to 4. So 5x square minus x minus 4. So we have 5x square minus 5x plus 4, 4x, and then we have minus 4. So we have taken 5x plus 1 common, and then we have 4x, not, we have taken 4 common. So we have x minus 1. So we got value of x as 1 and minus 4 by 5. So the required x is 1. So can I say that this is 1 comma 0? We are interested in only x. Okay, not anything else. Now let's find out this intersection point. Okay, so this is the intersection of two straight lines. So the first straight line is 5x 4y minus 1 equals to 0, and then we have 5x plus 4y minus 17 equals to 0. So we are interested in finding x only, so we will add both the equations, and then we have 10x 0y, and then we have 18. Okay, so we can get x as 9 by 5. 17, 18. Oh, wait. Here it is 4. So we got 9 twos are 18. So we got x as 2. So this point is 2 comma something. I am not calculating that something because we are interested in finding x only. So it is 2 comma 0. Okay, now the final point, we want this point of intersection, which is intersection of this line and this curve. Let's calculate that point also. So we have xy equals to 1, and the second line is 4x 4y 17. I hope it is clear. Yes, it is plus 4y. Okay, now we have to find out x coordinate. So look at here, can I substitute, apply the substitution method? So who is y? Y is 17 minus 4x by 4 equals to 1. So it is 17x 4x square 4, 4x square that side minus 17x plus 4. So it is 4x square, 16, 1 times 16. Okay, so 4x common from the first part minus 1 common from the second part. So we got x equals to 1 by 4 and 4. So look at this, we got two values of x. Now 1 by 4 means what? It is this point. We don't want this point, we want this point, which is 4 comma 0. Okay, now we got all the coordinates. Now we have to find out the required area. So first we will calculate area of the region. Wait, what is the first point? 1 to 2. So first 1 to 2. So from 1 to 2, who is bigger? The purple part is bigger. So y of this line, y of this line is what? 5x minus 1 by 4. 5x minus 1 by 4. So this is upper part, upper minus lower, so lower is this. So who is this lower? So it is 1 by x. So minus 1 by x dx plus from 2 to 4. Okay, so from 2 to 4, the red is bigger, so this function. Okay, so it is 4x, sorry, 17 minus 4x by 4. 17 minus 4x by 4 and then 1 by x dx. So we got this part. Now we have to do the integration to find out the required result. So 1 by 4, so it is 5x square by 2 minus x. Okay, and then we have log x, 2 1. Now same game over here. 1 by 4, we have 17x minus 4x square by 2 minus log x, and then we have 4 and 2. Now substitute the value to find out the required result. This much of calculation is required. Okay, the main part is to draw the diagram, that's it. So upper limit is what? 2. So 1 by 4 we have 20 by 2. So 20 by 2 minus 2 minus log 2. So this is upper limit minus lower limit. So it is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 5 by 2 minus 1, and log 1 is 0. So upper limit is the upper limit, lower limit for first part is done. Now plus. Okay, so it is 1 by 4. So it is 68. This is 2. 32. Okay, minus log 4. Done. Now we have to substitute lower limit. So it is minus of 1 by 4, and then we have 34 minus 8. This thing will become plus log 2. Okay, so this log and this log will be neutralized. Yes, it will. This is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 2s are 8. This is what? 2. 3 by 2. 1 by 4. So 3 by 8. Okay, now we have these two things will get clubbed and will produce 36. So it will become 9. Okay, so plus 9 minus log 4, and then this thing will become what? 26. So 13 by 2. Okay, these things you have to simplify. So we have 11 and then we have 8. So 4 4. So we have LCM as 8. So 3 plus 52 minus log 4. So 11 minus 55 by 8 minus log 4. So this is the answer. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situation. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.